So I'm here on the Nakamura stand at Milan at EMO 2021. I'm with Jungi here. Now, you were interviewed by MTD a few weeks ago, but
yes,
all the way over the other side of the world, weren't you?
In Minneapolis, from
yeah,
Tony.
From Tony Gunn. Now, what did you talk to him about? It was the MX range.
Yeah, we talk about the MX100.
Yep.
And it was my first interview with MTD, so I was a little bit nervous.
Did he go gentle with you?
Yes.
Good.
He did very good.
Okay, now what I want to talk about today is this machine, which is brand new at EMO. This is the SC100 X2.
Yes.
What's different? What's good about it? Tell our audience.
Okay.
Or tell me, but the audience can see.
Okay. This machine basically is the last machine we developed, and basically have 2 turrets. And this machine is really jump for the customer or 1 turret to 2 turrets. To make the transition easier, so this machine here, you can program like 1 turret and 2 spindle. And then it's a page that we developed that help the operator to transform that program, adding the superimpose or adding the operation with the lower turret.
Okay, because you're very, very popular in the United Kingdom. It's the AS series.
Okay.
It's been a fantastic machine for the engineering technology group. Is this the next step up from that?
Yes. If you have an AAS, the natural step up will be the AS200L with the sub-spindle. But you still have 1 turret. And this machine here have 2 turrets, so it's a step between the AS and the WT on WI, for example.
Fits right in the middle. It's quite small as well, isn't it? Now,
it is very compact.
This bottom turret is smaller, though, than the top one. So why the difference?
The difference is we have up to 9 tools in the lower turret. And this market of the turrets is more to do the finishing side of the right side and also to unload the part. So the lower turret have 9 stations, and also the unload gripper is standard. So the gripper will unload the part, and the part will go out to the conveyor to the left side of the machine.
Okay, all right. Now talk to me about this X-axis as well, because there's a lot of movement on the sub-spindle, isn't there?
So basically the X-axis we can do the superimpose, but also the second way to use is also to polygon. We can put the polygon cutter on the OD of the chuck on the right side and use that to polygon on the part on the main spindle. So that gave you much more rigidity when you need to do a hexagon part or even square using the polygon function.
Now, there's a lot of tools on that top turret as well, though, isn't there? I mean, how many tool stations are there, and how many tools could you get on there feasibly?
The upper turret, we have a 12 station, but we have a function we call half index. So we, basically, the curve coupling have 24 positions. So that means you can index in between the first and the second station. That allows you to put up to 24 tool stations.
Okay, now the superimposed turning as well, that means that the spindle follows the turret almost, doesn't it? Maybe explain how that works.
Basically, superimpose is the right spindle will follow the cut on the main spindle plus the cut program that we have for the right spindle. That's the superimpose.
So what's the advantage to that? You're doing more operations at once, is that right?
Yes, we can do 2 tools in the cut instead of 1 using that function of superimpose that will lower your cycle time at the end.
Okay, brand new here at EMO?
Brand new here in EMO, first show for this machine.
Okay,
so
this interview better than one with Tony Gunn?
Definitely.
Good stuff. There you have it. Brand new Nakamura. This is the SC100 X2. First seen on MTD CNC. First seen here at EMO Milan 2021. The engineering technology group in the UK have 5 of these machines coming into stock. Thank you very much, Jungi.
Thank you.